Hello, my people. Welcome again to GLAATORY. Yes, today I brought you another new recipe. Have you always wondered how you can make your own honey mustard sauce? Worry no more. I brought you the recipe. Very easy to follow recipe for you to make your own honey mustard sauce. Just please watch to the end. So this is another easy recipe you can do. All you need to do is just to follow the steps I'm gonna show you. Here I'm using 100 grams of mayonnaise, half cup of honey, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and mustard powder, 3 tablespoons of mustard powder, and garlic and paprika. So I'll be mixing everything to well combine. I change my spatula. I want to use the whisker in order to mix it to well combine. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. This is GLAATORY Flavors, where you will learn an easy recipe that you can do on your own. So many DIY for you to learn from. Okay, so you can see it came out so well. This is honey mustard seed you can do on your own. Very easy to do. So remember, if you are seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe and like my page, follow me, like my video, comment, and share my posts. Please share my video. It has a way of encouraging me on this journey. Okay, so you can see it came out so well. Hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy to do. All you needed is just to follow the steps I will show you. Okay, at least you can make your own honey mustard sauce with no nonsense inside. You are sure of what you are putting inside your body. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? Why don't you give it a try? Hope you get to try this. This is easy to follow recipe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.